What's going on, everyone? It's your favorite consumer law expert here, Darain Delevante. So today I'm gonna drop a quick gem on how you can get 90% of all debt collection deleted. Yes, 90%. So what you wanna do is go to 15 USC 1692G is going to bring you to the validation of debt, and what you want to construct your letter with is a 15 USC 1692GB type of letter. So I want you to read that verbiage, build out your correspondence, which is your letters, and then I want you to send it to the collection agency or the debt collector who's collecting the debt. 9 times out of 10, this will get your first 80 to 90% of all collections deleted. All right, so I hope that was of some help. If you want to learn more, let's go tap in and let's get you in. All right, let's go.